Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today, I am going to share about margin of error, which is an important concept in statistics. Before watching, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Your support will encourage me to produce more videos related to statistics, Lean Six Sigma and operation management. The first step of every statistical analysis is to determine whether the data that you are dealing with is a population or a sample. The population is the totality of items while sample is a subset of the population or portion of the whole and, if properly taken, is representative of the whole. Sampling errors is the difference between the true values of the population and the values derived from sample of the population. Sampling error occurs because a portion, and not the entire, population, is surveyed. What is margin of error? The margin of error quantifies the amount of random sampling error in the estimation of a parameter population, such as the mean or proportion. Let's take an example for 2020 presidential election result which carried out by Quinnipiac University. Pollsters asked likely voters who they would vote for in the presidential race if the election were held today. 52% said Biden, while 42% said President Trump. Even with the 3% margin of error. A poll from Quinnipiac University shows former Vice President Joe Biden with a sizable lead over President Donald Trump in the race for the White House. 52% and 42% are called point estimate. What is point estimate? Point estimate is a single value, known as a statistic, computed from sample information, which is used to estimate the unknown population parameter. A point estimate is only as good as the representativeness of its sample. If other random samples are taken from the population, the point estimates derived from those samples are likely to vary. Different samples from same population will give different point estimate statistic result. A point estimate, because it is a single number, by itself provides little information about the precision and reliability of estimation. What does the margin of error reflect? The downside to sampling is that we can never be completely, 100% sure that we have captured the truth about the entire population. Sample is subset of population. It is unlikely that the sample statistic identical to population parameter. Due to sampling variability, we are uncertainty how close sample statistic to population parameter. We add the margin of error to, and subtract the margin of error from, our statistic. Because the margin of error is 3 points, the pollsters are confident that support for Trump in the total population is between 39% and 45%, or 42% plus or minus 3 percentage points. Support for Joe Biden is between 49% and 55%, or 52% plus or minus 3 percentage points. We then range of values is our confidence interval. The interval that we are confident that the true parameter must be within. Confidence interval is an estimated range of values which is likely to include an unknown population parameter, or we could define confidence interval as an interval estimate of an unknown population parameter, with a specified level of confidence of the estimate. The margin of error determines the width of the confidence interval. The interval is generally defined by its lower and upper bounds. A confidence interval always specifies a confidence level, usually 90%, 95%, or 99%, which is a measure of the reliability of the procedure. Confidence level of an interval estimate, 1 minus alpha of a parameter, is the probability that the interval estimate will contain the true population parameter. How to interpret 95% confidence interval? We are 95% confident that the interval between x lower bound and y upper bound contains the true value of the population parameter, or We are 95% confident that the true value of the population parameter will fall within X lower bound and Y upper bound interval. We are 95% confident that the interval between 23 and 28 contains the true value of the population mean, or we are 95% confident that the true value of the population mean will fall within 23 and 28 interval. Most confidence interval has the following form: sample statistic plus or minus margin of error. In summary, sampling error occurs because a portion, and not the entire population, is surveyed. The margin of error quantifies the amount of random sampling error in the estimation of a parameter population, such as the mean or proportion. Confidence interval is an interval estimate of an unknown population parameter, with a specified level of confidence of the estimate. The margin of error determines the width of the confidence interval. Confidence interval formula is sample statistic plus or minus margin of error. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you next time.